Welcome to another episode of the Ultimate Trading Podcast for beginner traders. I'm Isabel Maria, and today we're going to talk about something that's not always discussed enough, especially when you're first starting out in trading: the importance of having a support system. Now, I know when you think of trading, you might picture someone sitting alone in front of a screen, making decisions in isolation. But that's not the reality for the most successful traders. In fact, having a support system is one of the most powerful tools you can have as a trader. And today, I'm going to explain exactly why that is and how to leverage a trading community to take your trading to the next level. So let's talk about why engaging with a trading community is not just beneficial but essential, particularly for beginners. You see, trading can be an emotional roller coaster. There are highs, there are lows, and there are moments when it feels like the market is throwing everything it can at you, just to see how much you can take. I've been there, all of us have. And when you're navigating that alone, it can get overwhelming. You need someone or something to help you through the tough times, to keep you grounded, and to provide clarity when everything feels uncertain. One of the most significant advantages of being part of a community is the knowledge sharing. Trading is complex, and no single person has all the answers. But when you connect with other traders, you get access to a wealth of knowledge, experiences, and strategies that you can learn from. I can tell you from personal experience, when you're surrounded by people who have been through the ups and downs, who've made the mistakes and learned the lessons, you can avoid a lot of pitfalls that might otherwise take years to figure out. You also get fresh perspectives. Sometimes, when you're in the middle of a trade, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. But a community brings together diverse backgrounds and viewpoints. This diversity is invaluable because it opens up new ways of thinking and helps you approach the markets from angles you might never have considered before. And here's the thing: trading is not just about strategy. It's about emotional resilience. There's a reason they say trading is 90% psychology. When things aren't going your way, when you're in the middle of a losing streak, or when the market is just making no sense, it's easy to get discouraged. That's where emotional support and motivation come in. A trading community can be a lifeline during those tough times. When I first started, I remember feeling isolated, questioning whether I was cut out for this. But connecting with others who had been in my shoes and hearing their stories of perseverance made all the difference. It reminded me that setbacks are a part of the journey and not the end of it. Another aspect of engaging with a community is accountability. When you're part of a group, you're not just trading for yourself anymore. You've got a team behind you, holding you accountable. Whether it's sharing your trades, posting your analysis, or simply checking in with others, this level of accountability keeps you disciplined. And discipline is one of the most critical qualities of a successful trader. I don't know about you, but I've made plenty of impulsive decisions in the past, trades I shouldn't have made because I wasn't sticking to my plan. But when you've got a community to report back to, it forces you to stay true to your strategy, and that discipline is what leads to long-term success. Now I want to share a case study with you that really illustrates the power of a support system in action. It's about a trader named Sarah. Sarah was just like many beginner traders, enthusiastic, but struggling with consistency. She had a small account and found herself constantly battling the complexities of the market. Despite her best efforts, she wasn't seeing the results she wanted. It was frustrating, to say the least. But one day, Sarah decided to join an online trading forum specifically designed for beginners, and that's when things started to change. At first, Sarah was a bit hesitant. She wasn't sure if she'd fit in or if anyone would be able to help her. But she took the plunge and started engaging with the community. And what she found was an incredible group of traders who were eager to share their experiences and offer guidance. There were more experienced traders in the forum who shared their strategies, their wins, their losses, and most importantly, their lessons learned. It didn't take long for Sarah to start picking up valuable insights. She learned about technical analysis, how to manage her risk better, and how to develop a trading plan that suited her personality and goals. But it wasn't just about the technical knowledge. What really made a difference for Sarah was the emotional support. When she faced a series of losses, and trust me, every trader has been there, she didn't have to go through it alone. The community rallied around her, offering encouragement and sharing their own stories of overcoming setbacks. This was crucial for Sarah because it helped her regain her confidence and reminded her that failure is part of the process. Without that support, she might have quit. But the real turning point came when Sarah used the accountability of the community to her advantage. Every week, she would post her trades, share her analysis, and ask for feedback. Over time, she became more disciplined. Her trades became more strategic, less impulsive, and more in line with her trading plan. The community helped her refine her approach, and she started seeing consistent profits. What's even better is that Sarah didn't just stop at being a beneficiary of the community's support, she eventually became a mentor herself, helping other beginners who were just starting their journey. The transformation was remarkable. With the collective knowledge and emotional support of the community, Sarah went from a frustrated beginner to a confident, consistent trader. She had learned not only how to trade more effectively but how to approach the market with the right mindset. So what can you learn from Sarah's story? Engaging with a trading community isn't just about picking up tips and strategies, it's about finding a group of people who can help you stay focused, motivated, and accountable. A strong support system can make all the difference when it comes to navigating the emotional ups and downs of trading. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned trader looking for fresh perspectives, being part of a community provides a sense of belonging and a safety net when things go wrong. Now I want to hear from you. Do you already have a support system in place for your trading journey? If not, what's holding you back from joining a community? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, you don't have to go it alone in this journey. The right support system can be the key to unlocking your full potential as a trader. So, if you haven't already, go out and find your community. Whether it's an online forum, a social media group, or even a local trading club, connecting with others will help you stay on track and improve your trading performance. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and always remember that in trading, community makes all the difference.
Thank you for listening to the 101 Trading Tips in the Ultimate Trading Podcast, brought to you by bellsforex.com AudioWorks. We hope this episode gave you insights, perspective, and practical ideas to strengthen your trading mindset and improve your decision-making. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and remember, every trade is a step toward building your edge. If you found value in today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Sharing the podcast with fellow traders helps us grow and bring even more free trading education to the community. Visit us anytime at bellsforex.com for resources, guides, and tools to support your trading journey. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep building your edge. Happy trading!